What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix the error which says cannot access network shared folder on Windows 11. We will show you the method and the step you have to use to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Restore point. Here you have to restore your Windows 11 PC to the backdate. Click on Windows icon, type in here rstrui. You will see this run command. Click on open. Click on next. Here you will see an option to show more restore point. Check that box. You will see all the list of restore point in here. Select the restore point, date and the timing when your Windows 11 PC was working perfectly fine. Click on scan for affected programs. It will show you a list of information in here, program and driver that will be deleted, gonna list in here, program and driver that might be restored, gonna list in here. If you are satisfied with the result, click on close, select your restore point, click on next and restore your Windows 11 PC to the backdate. Method 2. Update Windows 11. To update the Windows 11, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down on the left hand side, click on Windows Update. Here you will see this button, check for updates. Click on it and install the latest update of Windows 11. Afterward, restart your Windows 11 PC and check if that helps you to fix your problem. Method 3. Troubleshooter. Here you have to troubleshoot some options. Click on Start icon, click on Settings, scroll it down and you will see this troubleshoot in here. Click on it, click on Other Troubleshooters, scroll it down and you will see that option in here, the shared folder. Click on Run and it will start detecting the problems. And here you can see, type the network location you want to access. You have to type the folder location in here. Afterward, click on next and troubleshoot the problem. So these are the quick and easy steps you have to use to fix the error which says cannot access network shared folder on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.